Hey, my name is Shelly from Dallas, Texas, and I am shooting this video because I truly believe in Mathew at RSH. So when I inherited a property, we weren't sure what we were going to do with it, so I asked Mathew to come and inspect it so we could make decisions based on his inspection, whether to keep the home and renovate it and use it for our future retirement, or if we just needed to sell it. Mathew was a gem from the beginning to end. He came in, inspected the property, and when I was feeling overwhelmed and didn't know what to do as far as design and making what I thought I needed to happen, he was helpful from the structural point, design. He offered very good options for things that would actually improve the home and make it more valuable, and worked within our budget to help us have what we are now considering our dream home. I would highly recommend RSH Engineering because now we have the perfect little dollhouse of a retirement home. At first I thought, why pay more for an engineer? But then we started to see the bigger picture. We were looking for a long-term retirement investment, and we wanted to have it as safe and secure as possible. Hiring Mathew with RSH has benefited my home purchase because we basically got a brand new 100-year-old house. From bottom to top, Mathew took care of everything. Mathew's coaching has benefited us during and after the inspection because every question we thought to ask, he had answers for, and he also had answers for questions we never thought to ask. Anytime we came across something we didn't understand, even after the process had begun, he was always quick to reply with exactly what we needed. If you're sitting on the fence, my recommendation to you is choose Mathew. Choose the engineer. He was a guarantee to us that things would be done right from beginning to end. We never had to question the quality or jump from engineer to contractor wondering if they were communicating properly. Mathew did it all. We actually had a regular home inspector inspect our home several months before we made any decisions, but we had Mathew come in and redo the inspection from an engineer's point of view. He saw things the regular inspector completely missed. For example, he found hidden knob and tube electric in our attic that the inspector never even noticed, which is a huge safety issue for our home. The difference was night and day. The regular inspector did a good enough job, but Mathew missed nothing. What I thought I was getting was a home inspection. What I really got was a new home buying coach. From design to recommendations to repair, Mathew followed through on everything. Someone with a background in engineering assisted us with our home renovations better because he saw things from every perspective. He saw how the drainage system would affect the repairs in the house and how the airflow in the house would affect the design in the house. He came from every angle, knowledgeable and prepared. Mathew with RSH is best in the world at guaranteeing quality. Everything he did was above and beyond what you would expect a normal contractor or engineer to do. The one thing that surprised me most with Mathew at RSH is he saw into our future. He diagnosed potential future problems connected to our ongoing renovation and directed us on what steps we needed to take for our future. The things that he could fix while doing the renovation, he was happy to continue with that and add that onto the renovation plan. But he also told us of things that we should expect in the upcoming years. I would definitely recommend Mathew with RSH to my friends and family. In fact, I already have. My experience with Mathew was a 10 out of 10. And if we ever have any other needs, he's my go-to.